Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. This video is specially for 12th passed out students and those who are planning to join an engineering. So in this video I am going to brief you out some of the engineering branches which would help you to choose a better branch for your better career. Let's start. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my interesting videos. So as of my experience, many of you will think that some branches of engineering are good, having a greater scope, and some branches are not good, which are not having a greater scope. See, scope depends on you. You need to think how better you are to create a greater scope and how better you are to create such demand. So first you need to analyze it, you need to think it. So most of you will join engineering blindly because of your friends has joined the particular branch, or some of your relatives are working in the company which is related to particular branch. So and some of the students will join engineering based on their areas of interest. So one thing I will tell you, you should join any engineering branch based on your area of interest. So in this video I am going to brief you some of the branches, and for that particular branches what are all the areas of interest you should have, everything I am going to explain. Stay tuned. So first we have civil engineering branch. If you are planning to join civil engineering branch, you should have certain areas of interest, like you need to have an interest in planning and designing, building construction, road construction and interior designing and many more. If you really have an interest in such thing, definitely civil engineering would be your best option. So next we will see what are all the opportunities and where we have certain opportunities for civil engineering. So we have multiple opportunities in both private as well as in the government sector. So first we will see where are all the opportunities we have in the private sector for civil engineering. So we have a n number of multinational companies for civil engineering like L&T, Tata Constructions, Brigade and Hindustan Construction and many more. And when it comes to government sector, we have n number of organizations which will provide job opportunities for civil engineering, like PWD, that is Public Work Department, then Irrigation Department, HAL, DRDO, Railway Department and many more. So if you are really interested to join an civil engineering, definitely you will be having a bright future. So next we have electrical engineering branch. If you are planning to join an electrical engineering branch, you should have some interest like power generation, circuits, wiring, electrical components. Definitely you can enter into an electrical engineering branch. So next we have multiple opportunities in private as well as in the government sector. When it comes to private sector, we have many multinational companies like Havells, like Thermax, like have General Electricals, and moreover apart from these electrical companies, we have opportunities in automobile as well as aerospace industries. So next, when it comes to government sector, we have multiple level of opportunities for electrical engineering. So we have several organizations like Power Grid Corporation, next NTPC, BHEL, BEL and many more. So if you are planning to do an electrical engineering, definitely you will be having a bright future. So if you are planning to join electronics and communication engineering, you should have an interest in hardware as well as software. So especially in electronics and communication, you should have an interest in both hardware as well as software, and moreover you should have an interest in electronics components, embedded coding, circuit designing, PCB board designing, and you should have an interest in motherboard designing also. So next, when it comes to opportunities, you have multiple level of opportunities in both private as well as in the government sector. When it comes to private sector, we have multinational companies like Samsung, LG, Whirlpool and many more. So when it comes to government sector, we have government organizations such as Bharat Electrical Limited, BHEL, ISRO and many more. So if you are planning to choose electronics and communication, definitely you would have better future in this branch. In electronics and communication engineering, you will get an opportunities in aerospace as well as automobile industries. So next we will see trendiest branch in engineering, that is computer science engineering. If you are really interested to join computer science engineering, you should have an interest in software development, programming language, coding and many more. Obviously, when it comes to job opportunities, we have a multiple level of opportunities in private sectors. So we have many MNCs like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HCL, Cognizant and many more. You will be having a bright future in the private sector if you choose computer science engineering. When it comes to government sector, you have minimum number of opportunities if you are planning to go for a government sector. So such as we have ISRO and BSNL, and some of the organizations are there, those who will prefer computer science engineering students. So next we have mother of engineering, that is mechanical engineering. So if you are planning to choose mechanical engineering, you should have an interest of designing and development of aerospace component, automobile component, or designing and development of machine parts, or if you are really interested in manufacturing and testing, definitely mechanical engineering would be your best choice. So when it comes to job opportunities, especially in mechanical engineering, you have multiple level of opportunities in mechanical engineering in both private as well as in the government sector. When it comes to private sector, we have n number of MNCs are there, like we have Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Benz, Lloyd. Many automobile as well as aerospace industries will prefer mechanical engineering students. Next, when it comes to government sector, we have infinite number of opportunities for mechanical engineering students. So we have many government organizations like ISRO, DRDO, HAL, BEL, BHEL and many more opportunities you will be getting in mechanical engineering branch. So next we have a unique branch in engineering, that is aeronautical engineering. If you are really interested in aeronautical engineering branch, definitely you should have an interest in aircraft design, jet engines, you should have an interest in flying objects. Next, when it comes to job opportunities, you have multiple level of opportunities in both government as well as private sector. When it comes to private sector, we have n number of MNCs are there, like Boeing, Airbus, SpaceX and Rolls-Royce. When it comes to government sector, we have many government organizations like ISRO, HAL, DRDO and many more. So definitely if you have an interest in aerospace domain, aeronautical engineering would be your better option. So next we have chemical engineering. So if you are planning to choose chemical engineering branch, you should have an interest in pharmaceutical, environment, petroleum and many more. If you have an interest in such thing, definitely chemical engineering would be your best choice. So when it comes to job opportunities for chemical engineering, we have multiple level of opportunities in both private as well as in the government sector. See, the industries for chemical engineering has divided into some categories like pharmaceutical industries, like food industries, like detergent industries and petroleum industries. So in private sector, we have ITC, Britannia, Parle, Shell, that is petroleum based industries. Next we have pharmaceutical industries like Cipla, Mankind and many more. Next, when it comes to government sector, you have an opportunities in oil and refineries like Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum and many more. Definitely if you are interested in such thing, chemical engineering would be your better option. So next we have one of the most trendiest and demandable branch in engineering is robotics and automation. If you have an interest in designing of robots, programming, coding and designing of components, definitely robotics and automation would be your better option. So we have multiple level of opportunities in robotics and automation. Why? Because most of the industries are depends on robotics and automation process. So in both private as well as in the government sector. So when it comes to private sector, we have many MNCs like Fanuc, Grey Orange and Kuka Robotics and many more. So when it comes to government sector, see, government organizations are using this robotics and automation process for research and development, like in ISRO, DRDO and many government organizations are there. If you are really planning to choose robotics and automation, definitely you will be having a brighter future in robotics and automation. So these are all the major core branches what I have explained you. you need to choose a better branch based on your area of interest. If you choose based on your area of interest, definitely you will be having a brighter future. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my interesting videos. Thank you.